Hi guys, this is going to be a quick update on my live account. Okay, so this is my IC Markets live account, and I have been trading this account using my favorite trading bot, the Cipi AI Scalper, for the last 3 weeks. The Cipi AI Scalper is an artificial intelligence powered trading bot that I have created, and the fact that it is artificial intelligence powered really makes a difference, as you will be able to see in my results. So total profits for today are standing at $40,646, which is really good. Okay, now let's see for the full week. The week started on the 11th of December 2023. So okay, now let's see for the full week. There were a lot of trades. Total profits $152,295. Okay, this is really good for 1 week of trading. Remember that this is all bot trading. Okay, and I started trading the account on the 27th of November. And the total profits since I started trading the account with the bot are standing at $618,154. That's really good for 3 weeks of trading. Now this account is really big, that's why the profits are showing this kind of numbers. The bot is trading with a start of 10 lots, and it also has a recovery strategy that is allowing the bot to increase the lots to recover the losses. But even so, the profit is extremely good. I really like the way that the artificial intelligence improved the trading plan that's behind the trading bot. So I'm really happy with the results. Now, if you want to see more of my videos, I also make educational videos about trading, and I post the results and all kind of good stuff. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification, make sure that you don't miss any of my uploads, because I really post very interesting things. And probably starting from January, I will be releasing a commercial version of the Cipi AI Scalper that will be available for the public use. So if this is something that you would be interested in, I would strongly advise you to follow me for the results and to be updated on the status of the AI bot. Thank you very much for watching. Until then, good luck trading everyone, and stay green. Bye bye.